Ah, tama-tama. Parang 5 mo. Kada kilo ka.
Our beloved OIC Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Kahar H. Makasayon, PhD CU6 or his representative, to our distinguished guest of honor, our very active and motherly District Supervisor, Ms. Ederlina Iniero, Ma'am, our very own school principal, barangay officials in attendance, headed by our barangay captain, Jumidis Espanola, PPA officials, loving parents, friends, my dear co-graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a glorious and pleasant day to all. When we honor a dead soldier, we give him a salute, loud bangs. When a child graduates, there is a fest in the house, loud bangs and many more. On this graduation day, before we depart from the portals of our beloved school, may I give my salute to everyone. First, to our Almighty God, may I say right to you at this moment, you are the Alpha and Omega in our lives. You gave our lives. You gave us love and everything that the best father could give to his child. And you are our best father. May we then serve you the rest of our lives by serving others, neighbors, and friends. May you shower us with more blessings as we continue our journey in search for education in our life. We love you, Lord. The strong leaders of the DepEd family, how I wish I could give you personally tokens of how we appreciate your kindness. You have been the forces who push us beyond to achieve more to work for the better and to run for our own good to the future. To our district supervisor, your words of encouragement, the smiles that appear, the pat on the shoulders, the nod of appreciation, the mute gestures of love, we say thank you. To our school principal, who spearheads the school activities from June to last school day, congratulations for the job well done. To our loving teachers, how nice of you. You deserve the sweetest accord of love and gratitude. In rain and in sunshine, you are there to ease our pains, to lighten our loads, to give continuous sacrifices. Even sometimes, we are pasaway at matigas ang ulo. A warm appreciation to the barangay officials and PTA officials who were able to guide the community, the parents who made our school progressive for our best opportunities. The concern you have shown and every undertaking is worth remembering. The gestures of love is an epitome of God's love. Thank you. To our beloved parents, the people whom we can count on through the years, words for you are beyond compare. You work, you sweat, you toil, just to give us a good education. To my dear Papang and Mamang, for within 5 years we did not see each other, just because to earn money abroad in order to support for the three of us. You are more precious than gold and silver. But in the years ahead, I will try my best to give you love in return for the love you give to me. To my uncle and aunt, thank you very much for your guidance, helping my assignments, advices, and above all for your prayers. To our relatives, friends, and other loved ones, you are also one of the rays of hope in our lives. May all your tribe increase for the moral and financial help you extended to us. a million thanks. To our alma mater, we say goodbye. Means sorrow. I hate it. But we are destined to leave you, to look for the path of gold at the end of the rainbow. You sheltered us for 6 long hazardous years, and yet we cannot repay you. Someday, we hope we can come back to your fold once more and could say, Dear alma mater, receive my love, for I owe much to you. I am indebted for my successes. I love you. Society that needs transformation quietly differs from lives for those leads, manage, and oversee most likely deeper necessities of a minor class, but of major obstacles to live by. And this is a great challenge to me as well as my fellow graduates. For it is a time for us to set as an exemplary society, because we belong to the society of freedom, a society of changes, not of vices, a society of development, not of corruption. Through these factors seems to answer the crossroads we follow in our young minds. As partner towards transformation or changes, we, as graduates today, we are lucky enough that we have so much objectives to success, instruments of goals, strategy of technologies, just to embrace a world of competitive society. And to start with, not for tomorrow but today. Paalam, paalam, at mabuhay ang 2011 na nagsipagtapos. Thank you, more power, and may God bless us.
At ngayon ay ang panata ng nagsisipagtapos